welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to attempt to do a power hour cleaning. I'm going to be putting Cash to sleep here in just a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and get started and then I'll put him to sleep maybe like 30 minutes into cleaning. Just try to get ahead a little bit before I put him down for a nap, and then try to get as much cleaning done as I possibly can. I have some goals today that I need to get done. I really need to clean the bathrooms, and then I also need to organize the under my sink area. It is a disaster and it is on my before baby gets here list. I have a whole list of things that I want to get done, and that is one thing. I just need to go through the entire bottom cabinet and just get rid of a bunch of stuff and reorganize it. So before we get started on cleaning, I wanted to let you know that today's video is sponsored by Audible, and I am so excited about this because I have been listening to audiobooks from Audible for so long now. I've actually listened to Rachel Hollis's Girl Wash Your Face audiobook twice now. I'm going through it for the second time. I just find so much inspiration and motivation listening to her talk as a mom and a woman and just an entrepreneur in a way. I just find it so motivating just for things in my everyday life. So if you're not signed up for Audible yet, but you want to be, I have a really good deal for you guys. You can go to audible.com/Brittani B or text Brittani B to 500-500 and get a free 30-day trial to Audible, as well as a free audiobook download and 2 free Audible original. That is a really good deal. I love listening to books because I don't have time to sit down and read anymore with 4, almost 5 kids. I just find it so much easier to be able to turn it on my phone, listen while I clean, or listen while I'm in the car running errands back and forth, picking up the kids, and I get so much inspiration and motivation. Those are the kind of books that I like to listen to, are parenting books and just things that I can grow and learn a lot from. So if you guys are interested, make sure to check out that link. I will have the link in the description box below, or like I said, you can text Brittani B to 500-500, and that's audible.com/Brittani B. So before I get started cleaning, I'm just going to pull up my Audible app and listen to Girl Wash Your Face. But the thing that I like about Audible is that their app is so convenient and so easy to use. So you have access to whichever books you want to listen to at any time. There's different features in the app, such as this one. If you're driving, you can also increase the speed if you want to listen to them talk or narrate just a little bit faster. You can also set a sleep timer. Sometimes I like to listen to books before I go to bed and I want them to stop at a certain time. You can also access different chapters. I've listened to this book twice now, and so I know that there's a few chapters that are my favorite that I can go ahead and skip to. And then you can also save small little excerpts of the book if you would like to. So if they said something that you really like and you want to save that, you can go ahead and do so. I also like that they give me a lot of recommendations for me based on the books that I've listened to in the past. So these are all books that I need to listen to soon. But right now we are going to get started on our power hour. So I know I've said this before, but the kitchen is the first thing you see when you walk into our house. So if it's dirty, the rest of the house automatically looks dirty. So this is usually my starting place for getting the house clean. So I'm just emptying the dishwasher and then putting the dirty dishes into the dishwasher and getting the kitchen nice and clean before starting anywhere else. Before I knew us two would follow through. Hold out, don't give it up. Good things can come to those who wait. 'Cause you make me feel like this is for real, and I want you till trees grow on the moon. If you're a falling star, I wanna fall with you. I want you till it falls out the sun. It's good enough for you. It's good enough for you. I'm actually going to be using 2 different cleaners. This is the Greenworks multi-surface cleaner as well as the Barkeeper's Friend Spray and Foam Cleaner. I like to use this one first in my sink just to help get rid of any rust or stains that are on the stainless steel. And then I like to go back with the Greenworks cleaner and just give it a more thorough clean.
Don't fool my foolish heart, and don't wait for magic sparks. Make it work, although we get stuck on the low. Breathe out, we can't forget. Hurts like a bayonet. Could you make me feel we're in this for real? And I want you till trees grow on the moon. If you're a falling star, I wanna fly with you. I want you till it falls out the sun. It's standing up for you. It's standing up for you. Ooh. It's standing up. It's standing up for you. Ooh. It's standing up. It's standing up for you. And all I need is reassurance. All for you, long time. All for you. I want you to.
So after I've gone through with the Greenworks multi-service spray, I'm going to be using this Juniper Counter Spray by Magnolia Home. You can find this at Target in the Hearth and Hand collection area. I love this counter spray because it smells so good. It will make your whole house smell so clean and fresh. But I like to go through with the Greenworks cleaner first just because I don't know how well this cleans, but it definitely will make your house smell so good. So now I'm just going to use this Barkeeper's Friend multi-surface cooktop cleaner to clean off our stovetop. Now I'm just taking the sheets off of my bed to wash them, and as you can see, Cash is still awake at this point, but shortly after this I put him down for his nap. I have just recently discovered a laundry routine that works well for me and my family. It took me a while to figure this out, but I do at least one load of laundry a day, if not two, and I have all of it washed, dried, and put away by the end of the day, and I feel so much better when I am on top of the laundry. I feel 100% less stressed out. So if you guys don't have a good laundry routine down, I highly suggest figuring out what works best for you. So now it's time to tackle the bathrooms. These are the products that I'm going to be using, and this Clorox urine remover is one of my favorite cleaning products because I have boys and a potty training boy right now, and this stuff is a lifesaver. So to clean the toilets, I use the Clorox toilet wand. I love that it's just so easy to pop on and off the sponge at the end. The sponge also contains all of the cleaner inside of it, so it is completely hands-free. However, because I have boys and this bathroom is a mess, I always use extra bleach in the toilet, and I also use the urine remover all around the toilet. So for small spaces like the bathrooms, I really like to use my Swiffer. I will go over this floor a few times, and I will also spray more Clorox urine remover around the base of the toilet. Now it's time to clean the rest of the floors in the house. This is the O-Cedar Spin Mop. I love this thing. I'm also going to be pouring a little bit of this Rejuvenate Luxury Vinyl Floor Cleaner in there, as well as a little bit of Dawn dish soap, just to ensure that my floors get nice and clean. I do use this on both my tile and my vinyl floor, and being able to step on the pedal and squeeze as much of the water out as possible makes it easy for me to clean our vinyl floors. I just don't want to get them too wet. If you guys have been following me for a while, you will know that I recently redid the vinyl floors on my own, and so I don't want to saturate them with water. Moving on to the master bathroom. For some reason, my husband and I's bathroom is always such a mess. I guess because we spend a lot of time in here, but this was definitely on my to-do list for today's power hour, so I'm glad I'm finally able to tackle this bathroom. So the reason why you see me pouring bleach into the sink is because our countertops are very porous and they soak in almost everything, so the bleach helps to get any stains out of the sinks. And now for the main thing on my to-do list for this power hour is to tackle this cabinet underneath my sink. I'm going to go ahead and take everything out and then get rid of things that I don't use anymore. I have them separated already in baskets by skincare, hair care, and medications, but everything has just gotten thrown around over time, and so I'm just going through all of them, sorting them out, getting rid of old things, and then putting them back. So I originally ordered this handy little organizer to go underneath my sink when I was organizing my kitchen. However, it didn't fit, but I'm actually so glad that it didn't, because this is the perfect organizer for any hair tools that you have. These are such a pain to store because I use them almost every day, but yet they're so bulky, and this is the perfect thing to store them in. So if you guys need something like this, I will leave it in the description box below. I highly recommend it. Alright, so I can hear Cash waking up right now, so I'm going to go ahead and end the power hour here. I'm so excited because I got so much accomplished and I feel so much better now that my cabinet is organized and the bathrooms are clean. Don't forget to check out the link in the description box below for your free 30-day Audible trial. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys on my next vlog. Bye.